People asking me, is it possible to use Waze on the Mercedes? And the good answer is yes, it's possible. Today, I'm gonna show you how to use Waze on Mercedes-Benz Android Auto.
So the first step you have to do is to go to your phone and then go to Google Play Store and download two apps. One is Android Auto and the second one is Waze. If you're not familiar how to use Mercedes Android Auto, watch my previous video and I put a link below in the comment section. Mercedes Android Auto demo. So first we have to connect Android Auto through USB. So you take your cell phone, connect and wait until it's connected. Okay, now it's connected. You can see Android Auto. And now if we look on the screen, I also downloaded Pandora app, so you can see it on my screen right now. But to go to navigation, you have to go down to the bottom left. You see right here. So we move our mouse down and we scroll to the left and we hit enter. So now by default, if you can see, we went to Google Maps. Because Android, that's what it uses. It uses Google Maps for navigation. Okay, but once you downloaded Waze on your phone, now you have a choice. So you go back to the same tab, you see, on the bottom left. Hit enter, and now you have two choices. You can go to Google Maps or you can switch to Waze. So I'm gonna switch to Waze. On the left side of Waze you can see menu, like a hamburger. So since it is on the left side, we're gonna move our mouse to the left. Okay, and it will open menu. So here you can set your home address, work address. You can set your favorites by scrolling. You see, you scroll, you find whatever you want, and then you hit enter. And if you want to go back, you push back button. So it works with Mercedes original buttons. You see on the right side of the screen, you can see search and voice. So since it is on the right side, we're gonna move our mouse to the right.
Go to 11721 Ventura Boulevard.
Now for the purpose of this demo, I disconnected internet from my phone, and let's see what's gonna happen with Waze. Because Google Maps can work without internet, just using GPS.
This internet connection isn't reliable at the moment.
As you can see, Waze doesn't work without internet, but there is a workaround. I'm gonna talk about it in my upcoming videos. Another way to talk to Waze is to use Mercedes original voice control button, but if you push it, it's not gonna work. You have to push and hold until it responds, and then it will work.
Go to Yoshinoya.
Okay, handing off to Waze.
Here are the search results for Go to Yoshinoya.
I just gave name of the restaurant to Waze and it gives me all these options and distances. Let's pick this one. So when you move your mouse, when you scroll it, you're basically changing different menus on the screen, like favorites, but right now we just want to go.
Let's take Burbank Boulevard, Fulton Avenue, Los Angeles.
So now if I want to change something, I just hit enter and you can change a lot of stuff. For example, you can customize, you can stop navigation, you can change route, you can play with your sound. For example, you can change alerts, turn sound on and off, and Waze has its own voice. It's actually different than Android and different than Google Maps. Okay, but right now I just want to stop navigation. So by scrolling mouse, you're changing different options on the screen. So you scroll until you find what you want. For example, now I want to go to orange circle and I hit enter. For example, now I see 6 different options. So I'm gonna scroll until I highlight the option I want. For example, let's say I want to highlight cameras and then I hit enter. So now you see additional options and you can basically play with it yourself. Also, instead of pushing all this button, you can just say,
Okay, Google. Go to nearest Starbucks.
Okay, handing off to Waze.
Here are the search results for Starbucks, 4800 Laurel Canyon Boulevard, Valley Village, California, 91607. Let's take Burbank Boulevard, Fulton Avenue, Los Angeles.